How to restore lost or deleted text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the text messages app. In here, we tap on the profile icon at the top. Then go down and tap on the bin icon. Now, when you accidentally deleted a text message, or if you want to restore them, then you can go in here and choose the text message that you want to restore. So for example, that one there, so select the text message that you want to restore. You can select all of them if you want, or just select the one that you want to restore. After that, tap on the restore button at the top. And that's it. Now go back to your text conversations and you should see those text messages have restored. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.